Okay, today I'm going to change transmission fluid in 2003 Saturn Ion. It is a dipstick for fill back out, fill it up, and I already drained the transmission fluid. The old one is right here, and there's a drain plug underneath here. I'll show it to you. Right here, that's the one. Okay, that's wrench I used, 24 millimeters to unscrew this plug. Okay, now here's a dipstick. Here's a dipstick right here. But it's over here. Goes over here. So that's the yellow looking thing. That's the dipstick for transmission, and it's the plug fill back up. It's over here. Let me see. Yeah, I heard a lot of people saying you have to fill it up back to transmission dipstick hole, but that's not the way to fill up. Here's a transmission plug to fill it up with transmission fluid, and I'm gonna unscrew this and we're gonna get ready to fill it up. And I think it goes like 6, maybe 7. I'll check it out by a transmission dipstick. To unscrew this plug, that's what I use. It's gonna wrench 8 millimeters, and it is 8 millimeters right here. That's the wrench to unscrew that plug. That's where you fill with the transmission fluid. That's what I'm gonna use, transmission fluid. That's for high mileage, because this car has 255,000 miles on it, and it still runs. So I'm just gonna put this fluid in there. And I got 5 quarts, but I think it's not enough. We'll see by the checking dipstick. That's what I use to fill out this transmission fluid. I'm not changing transmission filter because I have to take apart engine and transmission, and it's between engine and transmission. That's why all I do, I just fill it up with fresh fluid. I forgot to mention it, the dipstick holds with the 12 millimeters bolt, so you have to find it's right there. You can take it out unless you unscrew this 12 millimeter bolt, because if you don't unscrew this bolt, you can take the dipstick out, remove the dipstick. So make sure you got this bolt. It's right there, right by the dipstick. This is old oil. I just filled out with all fluid. So all 5 I put in, and that's all 5 here. So I'm not even gonna check the dipstick because I know how much is in there. I'm just gonna leave it like this. So that's transmission fluid is changed, and again transmission dipstick is right here, yellow thing. You can see it. I'll show you right here. and you can see the transmission fluid is fresh. We're good to go.